Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Outback engine air filter. This is a simple maintenance task you can do yourself in about 10 to 15 minutes. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver or sometimes a flathead and, of course, a brand new engine air filter. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely with the engine completely off before you begin. Let's get started. Now, let's find that air filter box. It's usually a large, black plastic box located on the passenger side of your engine bay, connected to the intake manifold. You'll see a few metal clips, typically 2 to 4, holding the top cover down. Unclip these. Some models might also have a hose clamp or a screw on the intake tube that needs loosening to allow the cover to move freely. Gently pull the intake tube away from the airbox. With the clips undone and the intake tube moved, you can now carefully lift the airbox cover. Inside, you'll see your old engine air filter, likely covered in dirt and debris. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated. This will help you correctly install the new one. Gently remove the old filter and dispose of it properly. Now, place your fresh, clean filter into the housing, making sure it fits snugly and evenly all around. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully lower the airbox cover back into position, making sure it aligns correctly with the bottom half. Secure all the metal clips you unfastened earlier, ensuring they snap firmly into place. If you loosened any hose clamps or screws on the intake tube, tighten those now. You've successfully changed your engine air filter. Your Subaru Outback will now breathe easier, leading to better performance and fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.